healing. Yeah, like that. And then when you kick, when you open, you keep that heel still the same way, right? So that area will be turned out. No, 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 no. You see, you start doing the butt up. And that's what caused this little bit, like when I sit here, it's a little not, yeah, it's not good, right? So it's better, let's say for my, let's start from here, boom. Let's say you hold Oleg, right? Stay on the high ankle, right? And your line should be formed a little bit diagonally here, because the more you turn, the more butt will show. So you want to be like more, a little bit frontish. Then you lift here, and that's where how you lift your leg. Lean forward though. So in my opinion, my taste, it's better, prettier, and better technique and lower than too high and not beautiful. You understand? So here you keep it. No, yeah. You see that joint has tendency. Stay the joint in. No, yeah, like that. Yeah, yeah. Bend that leg like that. Boom. Then you slide and change your weights. Be completely on that foot, right? And then you will and flip yourself up. And yeah. The only thing you see when you drag the thing, you drag the leg, you lean like this. You see, you place ankle like this. So you want to keep it still like a little bit pointed pencil, like a sharpened pencil on the floor. After here, yeah, you keep it here and keep turning. Let's say keep turning. You're still here. You don't want to do this, right? You want to keep it here. And then from there, you collect. Let's say collect, 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 lift. And again, the more, watch, you see you have tendency to do this. So you don't want to sort of lay and open the center. You keep it here, shoulder down like this. And then from here, you extend the leg. If you do plie, then you have to do full plie. So boom, then extend. That's possible too, but not really. So watch me again. Slide through. I will be in front of you. So when you do that, the problem is you start doing this. It's like, and that makes impression that you cannot really lift the leg. It looks that it's hard for you. What you want to create the impression that easy. So in order to do that, even if you do plie, then do plie on the leg. Keep your body and core tight. So this is your leg. It's not relax, yeah? Pa, pa, pa. And then you straighten the leg in the meantime. Boom. And then you do the spiral with Oleg, right? Boom. But we'll get there. Let's do one more time. The moment you stand up on him like this, right? So you came here, whoop, you holding him here. Then you do arm and leg. Then you keep, so no butt out. Keep that leg here, open arm, open leg. Try to hold it. It's a little challenging. Then put down this knee first, another one. Then you go here. Use the bar here because it's a little hard. Come close here. Use the left arm, stay on the left arm, go like this. And yeah, I'll use you. Or you use Oleg, whoever. I can use bar. Yeah, I'll use a bar. Yeah. So, okay, Sophie, we here, right? Wait, hold on. Wait. You here, right? Hold, yeah, that's first. See, you're already leaning too much on Oleg. So it's good to use him, but you don't want to abuse. Yeah, here. The ribs should be straight, right? Shoulder down. See here. That's the line. Push your shoulder down. Still, your foot somehow don't open. Yeah, here should be closed. Squeeze inner thighs like that. So you don't want to open inner thighs, and your foot touching this way, ankle, not this way, right?
My
This
leg
way.
is sore.
I know. Okay, relax.
Oh, it me too much.
Okay, do this exercise, Sophie. You have to exercise. That's why.
So, friend ask you dancing like a gainer.
Okay, come here.